Good morning, everyone. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 3, that is multiples and factors. So, before I tell you what are multiples and factors, let's start with the introduction part. Here, in first, we'll do what is product, and then I will tell you what are factors and multiples. So, let's start the introduction of chapter number 3. First is what is product. When two numbers are multiplied, the answer is called product. For example, if I am adding two numbers, so answer is called sum. So here also, when I am multiplying two numbers, the answer is called product. Example also I have given here, 2 multiplied 3 is equal to 6. So here 6 is called product. Clear everyone? So what is product? Answer of multiplication. Clear? Now second is what is factor? A factor is a number which divides the dividend completely, leaving no remainder. Factor is a number which divides the dividend completely, leaving no remainder. So here I have written factors of 10. Factors of 10 means 10 कौन सी टेबल पे आता है. ऑब्वियसली 1, क्योंकि 1 की टेबल पे तो सभी नंबर्स आते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज 2, 2 की टेबल पे भी आता है. नेक्स्ट इज 5 एंड लास्ट इज 10. रिमेंबर वन थिंग दैट every number has minimum 2 factors. I am repeating, every number have minimum 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. For example, if I'll ask you the factors of 8, so 1 and the number itself matlab 8, definitely they will be there. Plus in addition you will check whether that number is divisible by any other number or not. I am giving you example of factors. 10, 2. Factors of 10 if I am talking about. So this is called dividend and this is called divisor. Divide these two. So 2 5s are 10. Is there any remainder? So either write cross or 0, means there is no remainder. So if a number divides completely leaving no remainder, that is called factor. Means 2 is a factor of 10. Same. If I have to check 2 is a factor of 9 or not, so I will divide these two. 4, 8, 1. So here 1 is remainder, means 2 is not a factor of 9. Clear? If you have to check whether any number is the factor of that number or not, what you will do is you will divide. If the remainder is 0, that means the number is a factor. Otherwise, that number is not a factor. So what is factor? You in Hindi you can say you have to check कि क्या वो नंबर उस टेबल पे आता है या नहीं आता. नाउ टेल मी द factors of 12. Factors of 12. So first factor of 12 will be 1, because 1 सबका factor होता है. Next you will check 2, whether 2 divides 12 completely or not. Yes, 2 is dividing 12 completely. So 2 is also factor of 12. Next is 3. 3 is also a factor of 12. Why? Because 3 also divides 12 completely. Next is 4. Same reason. Now 5. 5 is a factor of 12 or not? No. 5 is not a factor of 12, because when you will divide 12 with 5, remainder will be 2. But we want remainder 0. Next. 6 is also a factor of 12 and the last is 12, means the number itself. So these are the factors of 12. So I hope now you know what are factors. Next is multiples. Now what are multiples? I've written in bracket table. You all know tables, right? So if I ask you what are multiples in short, or to recognize multiples, you can keep in your mind tables. Whenever you will hear the term multiples, you can uh, replace it with a table. Now if I'll ask you what are the multiples of 5, you know the table of 5, right? So you'll start telling me the table of 5. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. So these all are the multiples of 5. I'm reading the definition. A multiple of any number is a number which can be divided exactly by that number. The multiples of a number are formed by multiplying. See, here it is written multiplying it with other number like 1, 2, 3. So whenever you have to find the multiples, you will multiply that with 1, 2, 3, means any number. Here, find any 5 multiples of 5. So 5 multiply 1 is 5. 5 multiply 2, 10. So these all are the multiples of 5. Clear? Multiples means table. Now tell me the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, and so on. Clear? So what are multiples? Table. What are factors? A factor is a number which divides the dividend completely, leaving no remainder. Clear? Now next, odd and even numbers. This you all know. So what are odd numbers? Any number that is multiple of 2 is called even number. Any number that is not multiple of 2 is called an odd number. तो जो 2 पे डिवाइड होगा दैट इज इवन, एंड विच इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2 दैट इज odd number. Or you can say any number that is multiple of 2, or you can say the number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers, and the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. Okay. Facts about multiple. These all you have to read once. Each number is multiple of itself. So each number is a multiple of itself. If I'll ask you the multiple of 8, so you'll start with 8 only. You will not start with 16. You will start with 8. Next, every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is multiple of 1. 0 is a multiple of every number, you all know, because in the junior classes when you have started the tables, you have not started with 5, 1 is 5. You have started 5, 0 is 0. Okay. A multiple of number cannot be less than the number. Obviously, if I'll ask you the tables of, if I'll ask you the multiple of 5, you'll say 5, 10, 15. You didn't said 4, you didn't said 3, you didn't said 2. Means a multiple of any number can't be less than that particular number. Multiple of any number are infinite. So remember this thing also. Factors are limited. Factors are limited and multiples are unlimited. Factors are limited but multiples are unlimited. If I'll ask you 5 multiplied 24, you will tell me the answer. If I'll ask you 5 multiplied 86, again you can tell me the answer. If I'll ask you 5 multiply 107, still you can answer me. So multiples can be unlimited, but factors are limited. Next, LCM, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. So short form of lowest common multiple is LCM. Obviously here the word common is there, so you can't find LCM of one number. If you have to find LCM, you want minimum two numbers. Numbers can be more than 2 but not less than 2, because common you have to find. Okay, so here in this example, find any two common multiples of 4, 5 and 10. Find any two common multiples of 4, 5 and 10. So here first of all you have to write multiples of 4, then you will write multiples of 5, and then you will write multiples of 10. Multiples you all know how to write. Table only you have to write. Now find the common. 4 is not common. 8 is again not common. So first common is 20. Circle it. After it, second common is 40. So here common multiples are 20 and 40. So but you have to find the smallest. Which one is smallest out of these two? 20. So your LCM of 4, 5 and 10 is 20. Clear? Remaining introduction we will do later on. Till 6 point you have to learn. Thank you.